What's good, y'all? It's your boy Dre. It's been a minute since I posted. What's the last thing I posted? Was it Big Bang? The last thing I posted was 12 days ago. God damn. Which I watched the Mama performances on Twitch and then upload to my Patreon, which you can catch me on. Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. That's a #1 girl, and then D-Dragon's Power plus Home Sweet Home reaction to the Mama Awards. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Man, your boy's not been slacking. I've been keeping up. I just haven't been posting, to be honest. I'm just living life, you know. We're in the holiday season, you know, friends, family, etc., etc. I mean, obviously, if you see the title down below, we're gonna check out Rose Toxic to the end. Oh my goodness. Now I heard all the theories and all the issues, and if is this about one of her exes? I don't know, bro. Like, Toxic to the end, the title itself already sounds like sad. It sounds as sad as hell. I haven't posted on YouTube in a minute, like literally almost 2 weeks. But I have been posting on my Instagram. If you haven't, I checked out A Kiss of Life. I went to Kiss of Life's show. Freaking amazing, by the way. They killed it. They killed it. Go check it out. I have put a Instagram reel up there. I do be streaming on Twitch here and there, whether it be K-pop or playing some video games. I've been playing Marvel Rivals. Who's been playing that? But I'm booty cheeks. I'm booty cheeks in there. Patreon, I'll be uploading my my reaction to Mama Awards because, you know, they be blocking it on YouTube, so I can't be doing that. So go check out my Patreon. It is free. To become a member, it is free. But if you do want to support, you can subscribe for $1. Holla for $1, you know what I'm saying? Hey, without further ado, I feel like it's time. I've been waiting for this album. I already have it downloaded. I bought the vinyl already. The Vampire Holly color blue violet vinyl. I already bought it just now, right now. It was like 36 bucks or something like that. Hey, treat yourself. I'm gonna treat myself. This is me treating myself. But without further ado, is it all in English? I think so, right? Let's check out Rose Toxic Till the End. Ooh, I like the. Oh. Now I've seen all the theories about this. Stop it. Let's just enjoy the music. But you never know. About the bicycle, the haircut. Supposedly this guy was on the HBO show, Gossip Girl, something like that. I don't watch that, but that's what Toxic to the End. I love how it starts. It's like a 90s film. Well, let me get me some coffee. Hold up. Oh, he's hitchhiking? What, your legs don't work? Or your bike broken?
Bike went and just walked away from me. I don't know where to go.
What'd he say? Oh, he good looking. What the hell? He hopper? Sorry, I'm just investigating.
Bike went and just walked away from me. I don't know where to go.
Would you pick his ass up? I would never pick up a hitchhiker. I don't know. That's just me.
I'm lost.
And I would be like, and? I'd be like, okay, and what am I supposed to do? Dang, and you fit that little bike in your little cute ass trunk? Okay. You're too nice. Damn, what is this? Saltburn? The thing.
Call us what we are, toxic from the start. Can't pretend that I was in the dark. When you met my friends, didn't even try with them. I should've known it then that you were jealous and possessive. So manipulating.
Ooh, she's talking her shit. She really talking her shit right here, actually. Rose, who this about? I have a few names in mind. I don't know you like that, so I don't know, so I won't speculate. But oh my god, hold up, let me get comfy. Dang. Dang, she's so fine. Sorry. Him too. He a good looking motherfucker. What? Yo, I'm kind of. Dang. Sorry, I don't. What? Hold up, hold up. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Come through. Hey, man. Quick question, chat. Quick question, comments. Would you rather be, that's a dumb question, Dre. I was about to ask you, would you rather be Rose's ex or Rose's acquaintance? Not friend, acquaintance. That's a dumb question, but you can answer it. Answer in the comments.
Favorite game is chess. Who would ever guess? Playing with the pieces in my chest. Now he's
dang, skater boy.
Don't leave. You saw that line from me 'cause you're just jealous and possessive. So
Oh, with the cast.
Honestly impressive.
He hiding his phone. Red flag. Talk out, yeah. Oh, what happened? He just rolled up in a skateboard like this. Oh. Who messed? Ooh. Beat his ass. You know what sucks about toxic relationships? Well, until it ends. Especially being a friend of a friend that's in a toxic relationship, it's so hard to, like, damn, I'm getting emotional because, like, it's so hard to be there. Like, sometimes, like, yes, you know that person's toxic for your friend, and then, like, they don't see the red flags, or they see it and they just ignore it and just continue. Oh my god, bro.
See it again.
But they were both toxic to each other, huh? Yes, your faves could be toxic too. Oh, girl! That's a crazy shot. No shot. She throwing up and shit. They got lit, basically. That's crazy. Oh, hell no. He was manipulative from the start. From the start. You know what? You don't realize that you missed out on something until you don't have it anymore. Directed by... Let me see the name again. Shout out to the director, by the way. JREAMERS. Hopefully I pronounced that right. Please correct me. Rose. What's up, Rosie? Evan mocked as the ex. Quotes. Ooh. Shout out to Deep Cut Films. Let's go. Damn, so many people are in this. Whoa. Oh, what happens?
He's good. Help him up. Walk out.
Aw. Cute. The shots are really beautiful. It does remind me of like a 90s movie or 2000, early 2000s movie. Is it all film? Like film or digital? I wonder. Damn. Toxic to the end. Yeah, I mean, okay, I can see why people are speculating, trying to figure out like who's the ex, who's this, because people be nosy. I feel like I'm curious myself, but I'm not gonna die if I don't know. Like if it is what it is. I mind my own business too. Like it's not in my business really, to be honest. But I can see the people who speculated who I can see like, oh, it could have been blah blah blah. But who cares, y'all? But I like this. I like this fully. Like toxic till the end. This is like very open book and raw of Rose. Rose is just literally. I think I'm gonna be doing a first listen on Patreon to this whole album. It'll be up free. Trust. But I'm very curious. I think she said that it's like an open diary or her diary. And I love stuff like that. I love albums like that where it just shows. And I feel like that's music. Music is just like oversharing your life, your what you've been through and stuff. And toxic till the end. My God. And obviously it could be toxic both ways, but I feel like every one of us that has either been in a relationship or friendship has had a toxic friend / relation, and it's not cute. It's stupid, and you don't realize it until it ends, kind of, or you realize it, but once you finally get out of it, you feel a lot better, and you realize the mistakes that you're like, oh, I should have never spent my time with this. But there were some good times too, and it's so complicated, bro. It's so complicated. Because that's what you see, like they would argue, fight, and then they would get back together and stuff like that, and that's like part of a toxic relationship, no? Every one of them is different though. Hopefully she's doing a lot better now. I would hope. I feel like this is a great open book to talk about it too, without like name dropping anyone. I feel like everybody that talks they shit, not talk they shit, but like in general, like as an artist, they talk they shit or like share some information. It's definitely about somebody. It's inspiration, whether it be about an actual real representation of their life or inspired by a movie or something like that. So I'm very curious about Rosé's album that just dropped, Rosie. Again, I already bought the vinyl. I remember listening to the medley, and I was like you know when they did the highlight medley, and I was like so excited because I've been wanting a full Rosé album, and it's 12 songs, and I'm like, fuck yes, tell me a story, let me get it, let me dive in. And you collab with Bruno Mars, bro. And you collab. I'm proud of you, Rosé. What can I call you? Both? I don't know. Anyways, oh, I got the blue version. Oh, there's different colors? Damn, I'm shopping here. Wait, hold up. All right, I'm gonna go get this other album of Rosé. Bro, I'm about to buy more. Bro, this is 34 bucks. Goddamn. I'm about to buy this. I'll see you guys next time. And be sure to check out my Patreon because the first list is gonna be there. I'm gonna check out Daesung's zip. I'm gonna check out Daesung's interview with Rosé over there as well. But yeah, proud of you, Rosé. Proud of you. Can't wait to hear more.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there.